Yo, what is up, guys? Yo, hello, what is up, guys? Sorry, just testing. First time using this in a while. It's been a while since I've last done a weather thingy. Just making sure everything's up to date, ready to go. Sorry if I'm a little loud now, but in today's video we will be talking about some pretty significant rainfalls today and an enhanced risk. I haven't had much to talk about in a while. All the severe's been gone. Alright, still recovering from a cold. Um, but I'm back. And thankfully, not really thankfully, but there is a risk for some severe weather today. So, starting off with the 5% tornado risk going from all the way up from northern South Dakota to all the way down to like mid Oklahoma. So, very big 5% tornado risk. We'll definitely see a tornado or two somewhere in this region. It's bound to happen. There's no way we don't. 5% risk going all the way from North Dakota all the way down to Texas, and a little one over here by Maryland. So yeah, there's definitely because of whatever. I think it was Ophelia is causing a landfall over here. So got some of that going on. Big 15% chance, basically the same as tornado, except this risk goes all the way down into southern, actually a part of Texas, so very big 15% chance. We'll definitely see some winds, and right through here. My prediction with this 30% will get moved up a little bit, so it'll be more towards up towards or maybe it'll still stay down here, but I think this is shifting more towards it's going to be up north by Missouri and Iowa, because down here, sure there's some action, but yeah, this would barely fit into it, and I get right now all the storms are staying there, but this thing is gonna be pretty far up, or not as much of a risk. um, and then the hail is the biggest part. The hail there is big 5%, big 15%, and then that 30% with that hatched risk of a significant, so significant hail. 10% or greater chance of 2-inch in diameter hail within 25 miles. That's actually not like a pretty big area. That's a pretty big area. That's like I don't know. There's gonna be some big hail with this today. There will be some possible supercells actually that do pop up, and especially with this line, could cause some major issues too. This line will start to form around I think it's 5:15. Not far from now, they have that one little cell actually. This should shift into it right over by Belton right now, Aubrey. So be careful if you're there. You guys have a long way to go tonight. Speaking of a long way to go, look at some of these rainfall amounts. This is for Leesville. 5 to 8 inches of rain expected. That is absurd. I've never seen so much rain from one line of storms besides the one event in Kentucky a couple years back. They're expecting, like a ton of rain there for several hours. Very, very slow moving system, so it really does explain it. 3 to 5 at a coal camp, so not that far away, and 3 to 5 in Windsor. So, three pretty heavily populated areas expected to get some crazy rain amounts. Yeah, let's go with change just the tropical tidbits. As you can see, they are only expecting about an inch on here and more towards the north, but this is just a forecast. You can see for the foreseeable future, you can actually see Ophelia's remnants here, but you can see really doesn't do much over the next several days. Couple rounds, we're actually starting to see some snow in some higher elevated areas. You can see here, they're a couple feet up there in some of those higher elevated, but starting to see some more just crossed open area snowstorms start to happen. So be looking forward to that. Besides that, there's really not much to cover. I might go live tonight. I might not. I just gotta see what I gotta do. So it all depends. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out the lives. They're really cool. We just talk about some geeky weather stuff. And peace out.